Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm using the idle environment because I've just fired up my Visual Studio and found out there's a problem with the .NET framework. It's ever since I upgraded my laptop from Windows 10 to Windows 11, so I'm going to have to work that out in the next couple of days. But anyway, we're on idle now. So today we're just going to deal with some lists. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a list here, and we're going to insert names into a list. So this list is called names, and I'm just going to say Dave, Joe, Pete. Okay, so this is our list, and we're going to create a function called insert names, because we're going to insert names into this list. Okay, but before I do that, first what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an error handler here called try, and I'm going to create a variable called name, and I'm going to assign it to input, and then I'm going to tell the user what to do. Enter name to insert here, so the user knows exactly what to do when they see that on the screen. I'm going to create another variable here called position, and I'm going to assign it to int, which is integer, because we're going to be accepting some integers into here, some numbers basically. So simply position. So what will happen is this will ask the user for a position to insert the name into this new list. Okay, so we're going to create names. Oops, something's gone wrong there. Got to do that. Close it off. Okay, so we're going to do names here. Dot insert. So this is going to be position and name here. Right. Position and name. So names dot insert, position and name. So okay. So this should insert the name at the position that we say, that we stipulate. So then we're going to use the print command again and say updated list. Yeah, so it will show the updated list, and then we'll just insert the name there. Sorry, names, because that's the name of the list. So names, so we're going to print the list itself there, and then we're going to close the error handler with exception as E here, and then what we're going to do is we're going to print out any error that it may occur, and we're going to format it using f-string. So we insert the E into here and simply occurred. Okay, now all we have to do is call the program, which is going to be insert names. Let's just save it. Yeah, just go over that. That's it's looking okay. So let's just run it. Okay, so let's have a look here. So enter a name to insert. I'm just going to simply put Billy. What? Billy. Position, I'm going to insert Billy at position 0 in the list. Okay, so it's been updated. We've inserted Billy here at position 0. Okay, let's run that again. Let's run the module. Let's put name. Well, let's just put Sid. in here, Sid. And we're going to insert it at a position that doesn't exist in the index yet. So let's have a look. Position 8. Okay, so it's going to have inserted it here. So this is going to be position 8. So this is going to be position 0, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Anything else will come here. Let's try and create an error here. So simply dude, if that's a name, dude. Okay. Or no, we're going to try and create an error. So a position dude. Okay, so this should. Yep, invalid literal for integer with a base 10. Dude occurred. So there you go.